Hi, writers. Well, as writers, we know that sometimes it can be tricky to find ideas to write about. Yesterday, we learned that writers can write about what they know. Right here. There are more strategies that we can use too. Another way you can come up with ideas for what to write about is by thinking about what you do. That's right. You do things every day, and you can write about any of those things. This author, Olivier Dunrier, wrote a series of books about a pretend goose named Gossie and all of Gossie's friends. He writes about all the things they do. This book is called Gossie and Gertie. Like this book. He wrote about how Gossie and Gertie have boots, how they walk around in the boots, and then how they go to all these different places. Look at all the adventures that they have. You can also write about what you do. Write about what you do. Or you can write about what your own pretend characters do, just like Olivier Dunrier. Something that this girl does is play soccer. Do you play soccer too? Do you do another sport or activity? Something that this boy does is ride his bike. Maybe it's his first time riding without training wheels, and he is going to write about it. Have you ever ridden a bike before? You could write about that. Pause the video and think about some other things you do, and even who you do them with. Wow, you're really busy kids. You all do so many things. Okay, writers, as you head off, remember that writers write about what they know and also what they do. As a writer, decide if you will write about what you know or what you do today, and then spend time writing. Be sure to take a video of your writing and upload it to Seesaw so I can keep learning from all of you and so I can hear about all of the things that you do.